Hello, and welcome to the importance of compliance with Health Canada's medical device regulations. Health Canada's medical device regulations are designed to protect patients and ensure the safety and effectiveness of medical devices. Compliance with these regulations is essential for manufacturers, importers, and distributors of medical devices to avoid legal consequences and maintain patient trust. Today, we'll learn more about these regulations and their importance in this video. So what are Health Canada's medical device regulations? Health Canada's medical device regulations are a set of rules and regulations that govern the manufacturing, importing, distribution, and sale of medical devices in Canada. These regulations are designed to ensure that medical devices are safe, effective, and of high quality, and that they meet the needs of the patients and healthcare providers. Compliance with these regulations is mandatory for all medical device manufacturers, importers, and distributors in Canada. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in legal consequences, including fines, product recalls, and even criminal charges. So why is compliance important? Compliance with Health Canada's medical device regulations is important for several reasons. First and foremost, it ensures patient safety by ensuring that the medical devices are safe, effective, and of high quality. Compliance also helps to maintain the integrity of the healthcare system by ensuring that medical devices meet the needs of patients and healthcare providers. Additionally, compliance with these regulations can help to avoid legal consequences, including fines, product recalls, or criminal charges. Overall compliance with Health Canada's medical device regulations is crucial for ensuring the safety and well-being of patients and the integrity of our healthcare system. So what are the consequences of non-compliance? Non-compliance with Health Canada medical device regulations can have serious consequences. It can result in fines, product recalls, and even criminal charges. In addition, non-compliant medical devices can pose a risk to patient safety, potentially causing harm or even death. It can also damage the reputation of a manufacturer and lead to a loss of trust from healthcare providers and patients. Therefore, it is important for manufacturers to ensure compliance with these regulations to avoid these negative consequences. So how can companies ensure compliance? Companies can ensure compliance with Health Canada's medical device regulations by staying up to date with the latest regulations and guidelines, conducting regular internal audits, and implementing a quality management system. These should also ensure that their products are properly classified and that have the necessary licenses and certifications. It is important for companies to have a dedicated compliance team or officer who is responsible for ensuring that all regulations are being followed. Regular training and education for employees can also help to ensure compliance. What are some common compliance issues and how can they be addressed? Common compliance issues with Health Canada's medical device regulations include inadequate documentation, failure to properly classify products, and failure to report adverse events. These issues can be addressed by implementing a robust quality management system, conducting regular internal audits, and providing regular training and education for your employees. It is also important for companies to stay up to date with the latest regulations and guidelines, and to have a dedicated compliance team or officer who is responsible for ensuring that all regulations are being followed. Failure to address compliance issues can result in legal consequences and harm to patient safety.